Do you want to grow outside of the classroom? Are you looking to become the best version of yourself? Let's make it happen. At our school, it's always fun to learn. We bring practical life lessons to you. Get the chance to grow and succeed in a safe environment. Discover your talents, develop your passions, and learn hands-on skills for your everyday life.
And the best part? Learning is on the go. Learn whenever and wherever you want with just a few clicks. Each class is limited to a small number of students to ensure quality teaching. We make sure to hear, listen, and respect each voice equally. At our school, you get the chance to interact with students and instructors all over the world. Get ready to make cross-cultural friends and share your experiences with others. We are more than just academics. We go above and beyond. We instill morals and values to raise global citizens and emotionally intelligent kids and teens. Each lesson is recorded and available 24/7. You can replay and repeat lessons for better understanding of the subject matter. Our relationship never ends. At our school, we check on progress, support your goals, and stay connected with both parents and students to ensure optimal growth.
What are you waiting for? It's time to move beyond mindless screens and turn your educational dreams into reality. Learn, grow, become with our school. Visit our website at 𝐴-𝐶ool.co.uk and be sure to follow our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Telegram, YouTube, and Vimeo at The R School.